Good morning students. Today we have to start the 9th standard math second number lesson, that is the polynomial. In this lesson we have to see the different types of polynomial definitions and numericals based on that. Okay. Now the second chapter, that is the polynomial. First we have to see what is the definition of the polynomial. So polynomial is definition. Polynomial is a mathematical expression. Polynomial is nothing but a mathematical expressions having variables, constant, and they combine with plus or minus signs and having non-negative power of variables. It is the definition of polynomial. Polynomials are the mathematical expressions. Polynomials are nothing but the mathematical expressions having the variables constant and they combine with plus or minus sign having non-negative power of variable. Okay. Mathematical expression means, suppose any expression x plus 2, it is mathematical expressions having the variables. X is variable, 2 is constant, means number, combined with plus or minus sign, here plus, and having the power is non-negative, means power of variable, here is power is 1 and which is positive. If the power is negative, it is not a polynomial. So it is the polynomial, and how we have to represent the polynomial, that is p of x. How we have to represent the polynomial, that is p of x. So it is the polynomial. Why? Because it is mathematical expressions having variables, coefficients or constant with mathematical operation plus or minus and having non-negative integer power. So it is the simple definition of polynomial. Another example of polynomial, p of x is equal to 5x square plus 3x minus 2. It is also polynomial. It is a mathematical expression having plus or minus sign combination, coefficients or constant 2 is there, variable x is also there, and the power of the variable is plus 2, not a negative. That's why these mathematical expressions are the polynomials. Okay, it is the simple definition of polynomial. Now next we have to see some factors related to the polynomial. Now first is coefficients. Coefficients means what? Coefficients of a polynomial. Suppose p of x is equal to 3x square plus 5. It is one polynomial. Yes, it is polynomial. Power is positive. Okay. Now the coefficient of x square. Coefficients of x square is 3. Means the numbers or constants multiply with variables. Those numbers are called as coefficients. The coefficients of x square is 3. The coefficient of x square is 3. Now second example, suppose p of x is equal to minus 7x square minus 3 plus 3x plus 2. The coefficient of x is 3. Multiply with variable. Those numbers are known as the coefficients of that particular variables. Understood? It is the simple coefficients. Now next we have to see the degree of polynomial. The degree of polynomial. The degree of polynomial means the highest power of variable. Highest power of variable in given polynomial is nothing but the degree of polynomial. Example, suppose p of x is equal to minus 3x raised to 5 plus 4x minus 3. It is the polynomial. Yes, it is the polynomial, non-negative integer power. In that we have to find the degree of this polynomial. Variable x is there, so here the power of the x variable is 5, here power is 1. So highest power kitni hai? 5. So the degree is 5. So highest power in the given polynomial, which is nothing but the degree of that polynomial. Understood? Very simple concept, but it is very important. Degree. Now next, we have to see the types of polynomial. Now we have to see types of polynomial. Different types of the polynomial. Okay. Now there are two main types of the polynomial. First, based on terms. Types of the polynomial based on the number of terms are there. Suppose first, monomial polynomial. Okay. Monomial polynomial means it has only one term. Monomial polynomial means those polynomials contain only one term. Example, suppose p of x is equal to 3x, 5x minus 7. These are the monomials, means only one term. It has only one term. Now second, binomial. Binomial means has two terms. It has such polynomials contain two terms are known as binomial. Example, p of x which is equal to 3x plus 2. So it has two terms, 3x and 2. These are the two terms contains. So that's why this polynomial is called as binomial polynomial. Okay. Now third is trinomial. Trinomial means it has three terms. Trinomial polynomials, it has three terms. Example, p of x which is equal to 7x cube minus 5x plus 3. So it has three terms, 1, 2 and 3. That's why it is called as a trinomial. So these are the three main types of a polynomial. Monomial one term, binomial two terms, and trinomial has three terms. And last is polynomial. Last is polynomials means more than three terms. A polynomial means it contains more than three terms. Example, p of x which is equal to 5x raised to 4 minus 3x square plus 3x minus 7. 1, 2, 3, 4 means a polynomial has more than three terms are known as polynomials. So these are the four types of a polynomial based on the number of types. Monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Understood? Now second, based on variables power. based on variable. Second major type of a polynomial is based on variable's power. Now we have to see the power of the variable. First, zero polynomial. First is zero polynomial. Means power is zero. Power is zero. Those polynomials has a power zero. Example, 3x raised to 0 means x raised to 0 is 1, so is equal to 3. So p of x is equal to 3. It is a zero polynomial. Means 3 of x raised to 0, 3x raised to 0, x raised to 0 is 1. So 3 into 1 is 3. So p of x is equal to 3. It is a zero polynomial. Example, -7, 4, 11. These are the zero polynomial. Means power is 0. Second, linear polynomial. Second, linear polynomial means power is 1, whose variable power is 1. Example, p of x, which is equal to 3x minus 7. Polynomial p of x is equal to 3x minus 7, whose power is 1. That's why this polynomial is called as linear. Linear means always 1. So those polynomial in that variable's power is 1 is known as linear polynomial. Okay, it is simple example. Now third type is quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means power is 2. Power is 2. In that, suppose example, p of x, which is equal to 7x square minus 3x plus 2. It is a polynomial in that the power of the variable is 2. Maximum power is 2. That's why it is a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means power is 2. So these are the three another types of the polynomial. Zero polynomial, zero power. Linear polynomial means power is 1, and quadratic polynomial whose variable's power is 2. So these are the very important types of the polynomial. Understood? Now, based on these some important points, your exercise 2.1 is there. Exercise 2.1 is there. Based on these points, your exercise 2.1. So your exercise 2.1, first is identify the polynomial. First question. Question number 1 is identify the polynomial. Okay, I want to solve first question, that is identify the polynomial. First question, 4x square minus 3x plus 7, and second question, y square plus under root 2. Okay, now these two polynomials are given to you, two expressions are given to you, and you have to identify whether the given expressions are polynomial or not. Okay, identify the polynomial or not. Okay, so here p of x is equal to 4x square minus 3x plus 7. In that, variables are there, numbers are there, coefficients are there, and power of the variable is not a negative. So it is positive, power is not negative, that's why it is a polynomial. So it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. And here the power of the variable is positive. So that's why it is also polynomial. So p of y, which is equal to y square plus under root 2. It is also polynomial. So it is also polynomial. But if I want to take example third, p of x is equal to 7 under root x minus 3x plus 7. Suppose I want to comment whether it is a polynomial or not. I definitely say that it is not a polynomial. Why? Because the power of x, under root matlab x raised to 1 by 2 minus 3x plus 7. The power of the variable is in the form of a by b. It is not in integer form. It is under root. The power of the variable, it is not in integer form. It is in the fraction form. That's why it is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. If the power is in the square root or in the fraction form, then also it is not a polynomial. So it is question number first, how we have to find or identify the given mathematical expression is polynomial or not. Understood? Now question number second, your question number second is find the coefficients of variables. Right? Question number second, write the coefficients of x square. Write the coefficient of x square, and your questions are 2 plus x square plus x. Question number 1. Write the coefficients of x square. Now it is a polynomial, so I want to write p of x is equal to 2 plus x square plus x, and कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x स्क्वायर यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं तो कितना रहता है 1. तो कोएफिशिएंट of x square is 1. कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x square is 1. ओके, ये आपको सिर्फ x स्क्वायर का कोएफिशिएंट पूछा है तो x, और इस x का भी क्या है 1, लेकिन पूछा है आपको x स्क्वायर का. Like that you have to solve the question number second, and question number third based on the types of polynomials. Types of polynomials. You have to identify the polynomial based on the terms and the forms of the variables or power of the variable. Okay, you have to, like that you have to solve exercise 2.1 of a polynomial. Very simple. Understood? Thank you.